Hi folks, friends of all scanners. Now we have the summer episode, it's July, and I was thinking that all scanner may be on the beach and lying in the sun and have a cocktail, but there is some interesting news from the market with new hardware, software, applications. I figure the new stuff out for you, and if you like, be informed and stay tuned. Yeah, let us start here direct with handheld scanner, Chinese handheld scanner, but I think it's definitely maybe the biggest handheld scanner producer in the world by numbers of scanners. Announced the EinScan H2. I hope it's not only here in Europe. Now I think it's international. And this new one is a newer version from the previous version. It's a hybrid LED and infrared light source handheld scanner. And it's definitely for using like medical applications, design applications, scanning of body parts, heads, hairs, complete people design, especially the combination with the infrared can very good scan hairs. And you have also a much better camera and 3 projectors, and this gives you a very good color information. Maybe we can jump in here and I can show you some examples here. See some of these applications. What they have. It's also artifacts, and like here for this car. If you go on the website, you can see it, but you see here really how good the colors coming out from this scanner. I think it's a great new piece of scanning device, and I think have a very affordable price. Next one is from the US, it's GeoQ. I think it's a big producer for UAV as a mobile scanners, and they announced 2 new products. And this is from the TRUEVIEW 3D imaging systems. They have this one 680 and 680 LR. I think this for long range. It's like for putting on a drone based on real technology with included cameras, and they deliver very good results. The talking is something from 15. Typical is 15 millimeters and precision of 5 millimeter, and there I think they're going on 10 millimeters, so very great accuracy by 400 points per second and 80 meters flight height. And then have another one 655 and 660, they call them, based on also real technology, and they say that this one should be also deliver good results to a very good price for like a high-level mobile scanner. Then let us move forward. Next one, it's going from to NavVis. What we see here, NavVis VX3, the newest SNAP scanner from NavVis. Comes out for have this update and had these 2 new sensors here, and I think originally they go with VEERUM systems, and with 32 or 36, I think 32 layers, and now they move to Hesai, the Chinese producer, and they use this Hesai XT32 M2X sensor with 32 channels and 100-meter range. And this one, it's I think the most accurate and also from point cloud quality, like pocket-sized scanner, what you can integrate in your SLAM device on the market. You see these application from the Hesai also in many mobile mapping system, and I think NavVis also now decided to go this to have maybe some advantage from these maybe better point cloud what this system delivered regarding to maybe these sensor from VEERUM PUC. Yeah, okay. Some updates here, then some information. What I figure out is maybe if you're from the US, you know the company. For me, it's a company new. It's a data sign. It's like a software as a service. Is founded by some expert for. I think they're founded by expert for survey, geology, hydrology, and different geoscience application. And you can put your point cloud. Then it's an automatic classification as you take. Classification, then you can the algorithm looks for break lines, and then you can have post-processing DTM results from that. And they announced some performances in their software suite with better features and better integration. Yeah, check it out. Then is another software. It's from the US. I never heard it before. Them VEERUM is the name. And the product is, they have different products here. It's like a digital twin software. And I think it's mostly done for, you have it here for digital asset management, operations, maintenance planning, and you should be able to work only based on scan data or photogrammetry data and don't use for all like CAD data. And application is oil and gas mining, power and utility, and heavy industry construction. Maybe some of the US guys use this, then leave a comment and let us know is this a good solution, because for me it's just brand new. We move forward to Hexagon, and they also announced like this also a product from this product range is like this reality capture twin stuff, and they call them smart site. And I have here a product sheet, and smart site is you bring all data together and in one platform, and you can real-time see information in. They have a very nice video here from this gentleman where you can see that you can, I think I already have this big plant from BASF in Antwerp, and they put like a big model here inside, and then they can have also other data, have analysis from ground areas, use cases, and you see also they are a little bit able to, here you can slice it, you can look inside. I think it's all, this one looks like they have like a web viewer like Pottree or something, like the bubble size, what I see here in operation. I think it's not the most performance point cloud viewer, but I think it's, I think they're working more with the CAD models in their software. And then we go forward to a next program from Hexagon. Also the Hexagon announced a lot. They have Digital Reality Connect, and I think that's now the other end from this story. This one is this high performance, bringing all data inside for having operation your management side. And this one, I think, going on the lower end, that people are pretty easy to can upload their scans on a cloud-based platform, but is used on HDR technology, and you can upload your data. And then you can work and collaborate in internet, and it should be so easy that it's working for everyone. And here we have also from Steve Barrow, who is a big Leica. Yeah, he's a guy who working a long time for Leica, and it's the guy who present every time the new stuff from them in scanning sites. He show here in this video is how it works, and there you see do you have different data sets. You can load them. It's not looking like point clouds. I think that's like meshes what they're using. And then you have some different option to display your data, like you see here. Then you can measure here, and you can also crop data, so that you only have details and slice them. And then you can have easy measurements and yeah, measurements. You can about areas and distance. And then they have a very nice tool here, what they showed to the end. I think was a little bit this one. That's they're having also integrated a quick and easy. I don't find here the start points, but there is something like a video tool where you easily can set some marker points. Now that's this annotation tool here. We have it can set very easy some points, and then he automatically calculate from that video tool. I think that's for a video animation tool very powerful. Like only with setting some, here he's setting some marker points, clicking some points. We see it here in the video. And then he say afterwards, he say let it calculate. And then he calculate only based on a few points what he put there in the scene, a video animation. And he talk that you can give this then out or give it to YouTube or stuff like that. Also it looks interesting development what Hexagon offered here. And then let us move it forward. We going now to some information what we have to share. It's Geomagic Design X, and they have some announcement for the newest update from the market. They have now live transfer to SolidWorks, NX8, Creo, AutoCAD, and Inventor. Here it's different models. Then they have some change like measurement styles, integrated more hardware here in the software. Then they have also this is the direct integration of systems, and then looks here you have also shining here, and then you have here also connected different products from the market what is supported, and also they have some performance update and live capturing. And also they have a product like Geomagic for SolidWorks, what is like a plugin, and here there's also some announcements, some filling bridges and auto surface improvements of these tools. Also some news here. Then we have another one. It's PointScene, software from Finland. We present them here in Germany, and PointScene is two news. One, they've been acquired in 3rd of July from Arcans. This is a French software group, and Arcans is have also some owner of some dealerships of Trimble dealer and Cytec dealers in the Benelux and East Europe and some in the Nordics. We will see what's going on there. I spoken to Lauri, who is the CEO, and he say now they have a good investment, stable condition, and they can move the software forward. And I think they already have some integration together with TRUEVIEW Business Center, and maybe they want to do something on that. But to be honest, this is an open software, can work with every data. And now they have also some release news here. They do some news for the volume calculation, and they make something better, and you can read this here. So there's some very detailed, you can look the video. I think it's some, if you have different patches and some ground data, that is work easier. And finally, we have also here from software TopoDOT from US, from Florida. They have also some news. TopoDOT is a software which is pretty used for post-processing of mobile mapping data, and they do something new. Here's all the news, and they have some new tools. One is AI for find ground control points. That's, you see here is a data set from a railway, and with AI powered, they can take the classification out, and they can take the trees out, and then with single clicks they can calculate the ground model, what you need if you need some calculations. I think that's pretty good for an entire project. Let's see how this works a little bit. Then they have a new ground classification tool here, where the automatic can work and then can take the vegetation out to get these together. Maybe both features are related, but I'm not sure. And then they have also some tools for wall monitoring, that you can see some deviations on the wall. That's new. And there's also another one what they have. It's like for steel beams and sweeps, some new tools for that. Also if you're interested, check out the videos. You can also go there to the website and look the recording webinar with more detailed information. And then for this, I'm finished for today. Don't forget, like every time, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumb up if you like the information. Leave a comment if you have to know something, especially for the US users. They know maybe the software, if they used it, would be interesting to us to hear about it. And yeah, then if you know some colleagues, there maybe also benefits from our channel, then move forward this content. I say bye-bye, Eric, and now I have to look where my scanners are, if they are doing all pina coladas without me. Bye-bye.